Universities are turning out highly skilled barbarians because we don't provide the framework of values to the young people they so eagerly search for. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vikas Panda and you are watching the Panda's Wisdom Talks. So in the previous video, we have discussed about building a positive attitude through gratitude. In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of education to build the right attitude in our lives. We have already discussed the training of hearts, but the true education is something that trains our hearts and minds simultaneously. We need to compete for knowledge and wisdom, not for grades. Knowledge is piling up facts, wisdom is simplifying it. We need to have the art of learning to learn. Educating the mind without morals can create a maniac in the society. Knowledge is not power. We are often told that knowledge is power, but no, applied knowledge is power. Knowledge in motion is power. Knowledge is piling up facts. Wisdom is using those facts in a real world. Knowledge is information. It is potential power, and it becomes only power when acted upon. What is the difference between a person who can read and between a person who don't want to read? As the famous author Ben Franklin said, not much. Knowledge is potential power. Wisdom is the real power. Education takes many forms, not just grades. It is learning, self-discipline, listening, cultivating your strength, and the eagerness to learn. Eric Bock, one of the most influential authors, once said, "You think education is costly? Try ignorance." Education does not mean good judgment. Now let me back this statement with a beautiful story. There lived a man who used to make his living selling hot dogs. He was an illiterate man, so he hardly read any newspaper. He had a weak eyesight, so he hardly watched any television. But enthusiastically, he used to sell his hot dogs. Slowly, he began making profits. He made good sales. His sales were up. He bought more and more meat. He opened more and more chains. He opened more and more branches. But as his business was expanding, his son, who was just graduated from college, joined him. Everything was good. But then suddenly something happened. His son asked his father, "Dad, don't you know about the global recession that's going on?" His dad, being an illiterate, didn't know what was happening. He asked his son, "No son, tell me more about it." His son said, "Dad, the market has crashed internationally. The local markets are even worse." "Oh, is it? Then what should we do, son?" "Dad, we need to focus on saving instead of wasting." "Oh, is it?" replied the father. The next day, his father cut down the meat import by 50%, and his energy and his zeal of serving customers went down. And slowly one day, there were 2 customers only. He was so proud of his son. Told his son, "Thank you, son, you have saved me from the recession and a lot of loss in the money." So this story has some beautiful morals in it. The first and the most important moral: our expectations can create a self-fulfilling prophecy. The second moral is education does not always mean good judgment. And the third is use your advisors carefully, but always be your own judge. And the fourth and the most important moral which I got from this story is, no matter our education or our economic qualification, we can always become a success if we have these 5 C's, the 5 personality traits: character, commitment, courage, conviction, and courtesy. Yes, these are the 5 traits. If a person has this, he can be a lot more successful than a person who has excellent economic qualification. Intelligence is the quickness to learn. Skill is the ability to learn. Competence is the ability and the desire to apply the learned knowledge. Desire is the attitude that makes a skillful person competent. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll be discussing about what does it mean to be educated and something about common sense. So if you have liked this video, press the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Share this channel with your friends. Share these videos with your friends because you'll have to help the society you live in grow. And your friends are one of the biggest part of your society. Comment down your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think of my videos. Is there something you want me to talk about? Then mention them in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye friends. Take care. Peace out. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi everyone. Hey guys, please.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hi friends.
Guys. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Please like, share.
Talks like, share and grow. Please do like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and grow.
Like, share and grow. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and grow.
Like, share and grow.
Like, share.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talk.
Follow Panda's Wisdom Talks to have more interesting stuff and more moral stories.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Please do subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Please follow Panda's Wisdom Talk.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Subscribes to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Please subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell button.
Do watch his videos because they're worth it. Keep it up.